In this lesson, we will learn 3 automatic options for improving the quality of photos, and at the same time, we will revisit the previous lesson on working with layers. Stay with me if you want to find out what these 3 options are. See you in a few moments. As you can see here, we have a photo of very poor quality. And now I will show you how you can improve the quality of your photo with just a few clicks. These options can be applied regardless of whether the photo is too dark, too bright, or the color is not right. I will teach you how to manually adjust these things in later lessons, but for now, let's focus on the 3 automatic functions to enhance quality. Here, I have a photo that we want to edit. Before we start editing, we'll make a copy by dragging it to this icon below, or simply by pressing Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V on the keyboard. We'll select the copied photo and go to the menu, then Image, where we'll see 3 options: Auto Tone, Auto Contrast, and Auto Color. We'll choose the Auto Tone option, and you can immediately see how the photo's quality has improved. The photo is no longer as dark. Now let's rename the photo to Auto Tone for easier comparison with the original photo. We'll turn off the eye icon on the right side of the name to see the difference between the original photo and the new photo with the auto tone effect. Let's copy the original photo again. Go to Image in the menu, and this time choose Auto Contrast. You can notice a significant improvement in the photo's contrast. We'll rename it to Auto Contrast and turn off the eye icon for comparison. Once again, we'll copy the original photo, go to Image, but this time we'll choose the Auto Color option. In this case, the photo's quality has improved dramatically. We'll compare it with the previous one, and the colors are much clearer. So far on each of these photos, we have applied only one effect, but we can also apply all 3 effects to one photo. We'll copy the main photo, turn on Auto Tone in Image, go back to Image and turn on Auto Contrast and Auto Color. As you can see, the photo is now even better because with just 3 automatic options, we've fixed contrast, colors, and lighting. I hope you liked these automatic options for correcting photos. In the next video, we'll delve into tools for moving and zooming, as well as combining multiple images. If you liked the video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell to receive a notification when I release the next lesson. See you soon. Goodbye.